Want to learn how to conjure up the cutest cartoon characters using Adobe Illustrator? Even if you're a total beginner, let's dive in. First, fire up Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. I recommend a square canvas, like 500 by 500 pixels, to keep things simple. Now, grab the ellipse tool. It looks like a circle. In the toolbar, hold down Shift while you drag to create a perfect circle. This will be the base for our character's head. Use the direct selection tool, the white arrow, to subtly reshape the circle. Maybe make it a little wider or tilt it slightly to give it some personality. Don't be afraid to experiment. Let's add some eyes. Use the ellipse tool again to draw to smaller circles inside the head. Make sure they're evenly spaced and not too close together. Now, add pupils by drawing even smaller black circles inside the eye circles. Positioning them slightly off-center can give your character a playful look. Time for a mouth. Select the pen tool, or the curvature tool if you prefer, and draw a simple, curved line below the eyes. A gentle smile usually works best. Add some rosy cheeks. Draw to small circles or ovals just below the eyes and on either side of the mouth. Use a soft pink or red color. Now for the fun part, details. Add ears, hair, a hat, or any other accessories you can think of to personalize your character. Use simple shapes and lines. Finally, let's add some color. Use the fill and stroke options to color in your character with bright, vibrant colors. Experiment with different color combinations until you find something you love. And there you have it, your very own cute cartoon character created in Adobe Illustrator. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be creating a whole world of adorable characters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.